How to open Schwab app account, Schwab account sign up. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can open up Charles Schwab account. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started. In order to open up Schwab account, it is very simple for us to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch Schwab mobile application right here. Once you've done that, this is the interface you'll be able to see. Then if you already have an account, you can actually just log in using that account. But since we're trying to create a new account, tap on this option right here that says get started at Schwab. So just tap on that particular option. Now you'll find the first option here that says open an account. Tap on that option. Now you can open and fund your account and get $50 from Schwab to split equally across the top 5 stocks in the S&P 500R, plus education and tools to help you take the first step. So you have to choose what kind of account you want to open up. So let's say I select brokerage, and this is everything that they have: individual brokerage, joint brokerage, or teen investor. If you want to open retirement account, there is a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, rollover IRA, and many other inheritance IRA and so on. So just depending upon what kind of account you would like to create, you can go ahead and select that and tap on the open an account button depending upon the type of Schwab account that you're trying to create, and just make sure to fill in everything or all the details according to your legal information. So any details that they might ask you have to verify with your document later on. That is why you might want to just go ahead and then basically fill up this information like your first name, your last name, and similarly your suffix and all of your other address details and so on. Once you've completed all the steps, your Schwab account should be successfully created. This way you can open up Schwab account. Hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.